Is it just me, or does everything feel a little broken lately? Most people think there's no way out, but there's a blueprint for restoration. God gave us a promise in 2 Chronicles 7 verse 14. It starts with an if. If my people, who are called by my name, will humble themselves, and pray and seek my face and turn from their wicked ways, then I will hear from heaven, and I will forgive their sin and will heal their land. The healing doesn't start with them. It starts with us. Beloved, God's plan and purpose is always within our reach, only if we choose to obey. God is within reach. Are you ready to move? Act now. Subscribe to Divine Frequency channel. Do not navigate these times without being tuned into the kingdom's instructions. Subscribe, comment, share, like, follow and hit the notification bell to stay alerted to every divine instruction. Thanks a lot and God bless.